Welcome Shadowing English US. Like, share, subscribe.
Hey, David. How are you today? Hey, David. How are you today?
I'm feeling a bit tired, to be honest. I'm feeling a bit tired, to be honest.
Oh, no. Did you sleep well last night? Oh, no. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I had a lot on my mind. Not really. I had a lot on my mind.
I understand. I sometimes feel anxious too. I understand. I sometimes feel anxious too.
Yeah, work has been really stressful lately. Yeah, work has been really stressful lately.
That sounds tough. Do you want to talk about it? That sounds tough. Do you want to talk about it?
Maybe later. I just want to relax now. Maybe later. I just want to relax now.
That's totally fine. I'm here if you need me. That's totally fine. I'm here if you need me.
Thanks, Sarah. That means a lot. Thanks, Sarah. That means a lot.
I'm feeling happy today. I'm feeling happy today.
Really? That's great. What made you happy? Really? That's great. What made you happy?
I got a call from my best friend this morning. I got a call from my best friend this morning.
That's nice. Good friends always lift your mood. That's nice. Good friends always lift your mood.
Exactly. We laughed and talked for an hour. Exactly. We laughed and talked for an hour.
I miss that feeling. I need a good laugh. I miss that feeling. I need a good laugh.
Let's watch a funny movie together this weekend. Let's watch a funny movie together this weekend.
I'd love that. It would cheer me up. I'd love that. It would cheer me up.
Sometimes we just need to take a break. Sometimes we just need to take a break.
You're right. It helps clear the mind. You're right. It helps clear the mind.
Have you talked to anyone else about your stress? Have you talked to anyone else about your stress?
Not really. I didn't want to bother people. Not really. I didn't want to bother people.
You're not bothering me. Sharing helps. You're not bothering me. Sharing helps.
Thanks. I feel a bit better already. Thanks. I feel a bit better already.